Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you guys some cleaning motivation, so I hope you will be motivated and inspired to get up and clean your space as well. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. It is every Sunday, so yeah, make sure you don't miss out on that. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the cleaning. So on this day, it seemed like the living room had been the area that my boys wanted to play in. So a lot of their toys were here and I wanted them to get into the cleaning with me. So I asked them to come upstairs and take down the toys. And as you can see, they're such an amazing little team and helpers, and in a little bit you're gonna see how they come back and they perform for me. But it was the cutest thing to see them cleaning along with me.
What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. We come alive. Oh, oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. Yeah, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it.
It had been a little while since I had removed the cushions from my couch to actually give it a good vacuum, and I was so shocked at how dirty it was. So I was glad that I got to do it, and yeah, I'm always shocked at how much we can actually get under there, but at the same time we like to snack on the couch, so it's no surprise really.
So let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of
So after vacuuming the couches, I wanted to also give them a good wipe, because sometimes the kids touch them with dirty hands, or I do too, and they just get little stains on them. So I just use my all-purpose cleaner. It's never really damaged my chairs, which I'm kind of grateful for, even though they're not even real leather, but my Lysol all-purpose cleaner does a really good job.
leave with me, leave with me. The night is young, so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives.
So I wanted to do a good wipe down in the dining room as well, and also go around the chairs and give them a good wipe, because some of them had some dried food on them from the kids, and I did not realize it until I was actually wiping them individually.
This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Let's go. Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it.
My room was not very messy. I just needed to go around and tidy up a little bit, and also come in with a vacuum cleaner, because my carpet gets dirty quite easily. So I like to vacuum it once in a while, like every other day if I can, or every day. So that's what I was doing here, just fixing my bed and then coming in with the vacuum.
But I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool.
So I wanted to include some laundry motivation, but before that I went to get my mop, and I wanted to go around and make sure that all the floors have been cleaned.
I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. You only call me on the weekends, when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. about? Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speak in my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. You love me better than you do, yeah. You love me better than you. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired.
That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around and cleaning along with me. I hope you did clean along with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please share with a friend and make sure you subscribe down below once again. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great week, you guys. Stay blessed.